Wow! Aha! What will happen if we insert it? Do not insert the plug into the faulty socket. Why not?
My assistant will show you now. Would you like me to tell you all the rules for handling electricity?
Yes!
Aha!
Hello, Didi. We have a new friend.
Didi, come down. It's not safe to be up high during a storm, especially with a phone in your hands. Why not? During a storm, lightning can strike the highest point. Follow me. Let's continue learning the rules. Do not insert a wet plug into a socket.
Why not? Wow!
Now it's clear why you shouldn't insert a wet plug into a socket, right?
Yep.
The plug must be dry. Understand?
Yeah.
I beat you!
You can't play here while there's a torn cable lying around. My assistant will now show you why.
Don't. I'll jump over it. Ta-da!
Help me! We need to call a repairman, but it's dangerous to get close. Got it?
Am I blind? No. Where did the lights go? And where is our assistant?
Follow me. Do not insert foreign objects into the socket.
Yeah.
Well done. Now you know the rules of electrical safety.
Have you all remembered the rules?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened?
We can't watch cartoons.
Perhaps I could read you the book.
Huh? The book? It's boring.
If we use our imagination, it's not. Who knows? Maybe a witch stole your internet.
Ha!
Oh. Huh.
How do we get through?
You should arrange us accordingly. Letters with letters, numbers with numbers.
And where does this go?
Huh?
Theo, that's an owl.
Oops.
Let's go.
It's so dark.
And scary. Uh-oh.
In the book, anything is possible. The key is imagination.
Which way should we run? The witch confused us. This way. There she is.
Aw.
It's all in the book.
Wow!
Hey, what about me?
Now what? We should zoom in.
Let's go. It's there. Yeah. Let's run away. Thanks.
Hooray! Hooray!
Oh, and there's the internet.
We brought it back.
The witch took the internet and we saved it.
Well done.
Hooray! Now we can watch cartoons.
This is Mom's favorite vase.
It's simple. We need to hide it, and no one will know. No! No, we need to tell her what happened. Oh, it's so heavy. Huh? Oh, thank you. Thank you, friends.
Thank you. Let's take a selfie. Yes!
Boo, boo, boo.
Don't offend her. Let's play together instead. Tag! So funny. I completely forgot about the vase.
We should tell her.
We need to hide it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm home.
It's okay, Mimi. It's good that you told me. Now we'll come up with something.
Some flowers for our updated vase.
It's even better this way.
That was another episode of the TV show Vampire Family. See you in a week.
It would be cool if we turned into vampires.
Wow.
Cool. Oh. Super. Oh. Ta-da!
Great. We'll fix it later.
Let's go. I'll show you something. Look in the mirror.
Wow. Right. Left.
I told you it's cool.
Right. Left. I have an idea. Let's run outside.
What are we doing here?
We can fly now.
Huh? Wow!
Come on, Didi. It's your turn now. Didi, open your eyes.
Let's go show Grandma and Grandpa how I can fly.
You can fly.
Yes, and now we are flying to kindergarten.
Before you leave, bring Grandpa some water. I'll drink it later.
Everyone, take your seats. Today, we will learn about hypnosis. Now you know hypnosis.
Now we know hypnosis.
Now, Mimi, you try.
You will let us go home.
I will let you go home. That's all for today. Everyone, it's time to go home. How quickly the day has passed.
Theo! Didi! Night is coming. We are vampires. Or maybe not.
Mimi, come out and play.
I'm on my way. Huh. Oh no. Didi! Theo! I can't open the door.
What should we do?
Maybe.
Yay!
I'm Rapunzel. Didi! Theo! Hold on to my braid and climb up to me.
Cool, I'm the first. Aha!
Well, a little
Oh.
more.
Ouch!
Didi, are you okay?
I'm fine. But I have an idea. Come on. Cool. Yay! Ouch!
What happened?
The ladder is over.
Jump to me!
Oh no, Mimi. It's too far.
Yeah!
Yay!
Whoa! Ah!
Ooh!
But I'm close. Didi, jump to me.
Woohoo! Oof.
Guys, catch it!
Got it.
Oh no.
Wait, stop! I don't want to fly away! There! Now! I did it!
Oh,
Kids, what are you doing?
Huh?
huh?
Didi, Theo, why don't you go out with Mimi?
Because, Mom, I can't leave the room!
What happened, Mimi? Just look, the mop closed the door. Mimi, come out.
Woohoo! The princess is free!
Mimi, let's go and play. I have a fire truck. Yay! Oh.
Wow! You sneeze so hard.
I thought your nose would fly away.
The nose flew away. That's interesting.
Huh?
What?
Where? What where?
Where is your nose?
Huh? Huh? Ah! Ah! Ah!
We will definitely find your nose. Found it!
Yeah!
Is this yours?
No, it's a dog's.
Well, maybe you'll like it.
Huh?
You said there are no more candies.
There aren't?
What about your pockets?
Oops. Help yourselves.
Oh,
Ah! Oh! Oh!
Mom! I found the second sneaker!
Well done, Mimi.
Huh? Oh.
Theo, wait! Look what we found! Huh?
We found an elephant's trunk.
Huh? Try it on while we find yours.
Oh,
You need to hold it higher.
Huh? Well, how is it?
Careful.
Higher!
Huh?
Ah! Try a pig's nose. Mouse's nose? I can only smell cheese.
A rhinoceros's nose?
This isn't even a nose, it's a horn.
There's nothing else.
Yay! Huh, your nose is back. Yay! I think it's better not to lose your nose.
An alien is chasing us!
You can't catch us.
No, not me! No!
Cooper.
That's it! You're the alien now! Ah! No!
But it's almost sunset, which means it's time for the kids to all go home.
Mimi! Mimi, it's time to come home.
Oh! Mom, can I play a little more?
No, sorry, sweetie. It's getting late.
But, Mom...
Theo, come home. Didi, come home already.
Okay. Mimi, we have to go.
Bye, Mimi.
Bye, guys.
Mimi is very upset, even though she sees that it's late and time to go home. While Mimi was walking, she thought of a question.
Mom,
Yes?
why does the sun hide every night? Why does that mean we have less time to play?
Let's sit down and I'll explain it to you. It's all because the sun is a star. Our planet revolves around it. Then there's the moon, which revolves around the Earth.
Wow!
The Earth spins around the sun over the course of 365 days, or 1 year. And the moon spins around the Earth, which takes 27 days.
Cool! But why does the sun disappear at night?
I'm not done with my story. Along with the Earth revolving around the sun, it also spins on its own axis. It takes 24 hours to complete a turn. So when it's night for us, it's day on the other side of the planet.
Wow, that's interesting. Thanks, Mom. Now I get it. When the sun sets, I'll go straight home so that the kids on the other side of the planet can play too.
That's wonderful, Mimi. For now, let's have dinner. Then you can go to sleep.
Okay.
Mimi had another big day of learning new things. And she's going to bed early, so she can be strong and refreshed to play all day long tomorrow.